Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Writesonic AI to generate landing page sections, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Writesonic AI for generating landing page sections, first, navigate to the Writesonic website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once signed up, log in to your Writesonic account. On the dashboard, locate the various templates available. Select the landing page template to begin. Next, choose the specific section you want to generate, such as the hero section or testimonials. Enter relevant details about your product or service into the provided fields. Make sure to be clear and concise to help the AI generate accurate content. After entering the information, click on the Generate button. Wait for the AI to process your request and create the content. Once generated, review the text for relevancy and tone. If the content isn't quite right, make adjustments to the input details and generate again. You can also explore different variations of the same section for more options. After finalizing a section, you can copy it directly from the interface. To continue building your landing page, repeat these steps for additional sections. Be sure to keep your overall messaging consistent across all sections. Once you have all your sections ready, compile them into your landing page. Finally, review the entire page for flow and coherence before publishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.